Good morning, it's November 8th. John from Lowell's Pond and Plants. This is a little video on Trachycarpus Fortunei and genetics. I've got these two palm trees here, Trachycarpus Fortunei, and both of them died back to the ground 2 years ago. They died and had a spear pull and they were toast. So I waited, kept them dry, covered them up, and cut them back to the ground. And they both grew back. It's been 2 years. This one's got some pretty good growth on it. And there's this one here. Look at the size difference. Both of them died back to the ground the same winter. Cut them both back to the ground. Put some hydrogen peroxide on them. Kept them covered with that little dome until we got into the spring, so they could start getting some sunshine. And man, look at the difference. That's just genetics. All right, have a great day. Thanks.